One step at a time, and you can achieve anything.
Every one of you has the power and the ability to come out and make your life better.
Ask yourself, what can I do today that's going to move me closer to my goals? What can I do different that's going to make the difference? There will always come a time in all our lives where we hit a wall. A time where things are going well and you hit a roadblock. Maybe you've been trying something for ages and you feel like you're getting nowhere. Feel like you're doing nothing but failing over and over again, and it's starting to take its toll. And that negative voice inside your head keeps getting louder and louder, telling you to give up. This happens to everyone that is trying to do anything. When you find this wall, you have two choices. The first, you choose to stay where you are and you don't try anything. If you choose this option, one thing is certain: you ain't getting to your target. The second option is you do everything you can to get past this wall and carry on your journey on the road to your target on the other side. You have to have persistence, absolute persistence, to get past it.
Taking it on the chin all the time is what a lot of people do. It's really, really easy to go through life and just keep getting beaten up, right? Keep getting people tell you you're no good, people telling you you can't do stuff, nothing's going your way. And it's easy to just get into a habit of just taking it. But sooner or later, there has to come a time where you decide to just fight back. You've got to get up, grow some balls, and come out swinging.
Too many people are walking around the bottom and they're looking for an elevator to take them to the top. But what they haven't realised yet is there is no elevator. You're going to have tough times. There's going to be days where you think you can't go on, that you can't do no more. But you've got to dig down, deep down, and ask yourself, am I going to let this situation beat me? Am I going to be a victim of my life or the master of it? I don't care if it's money you want, a better body, a better relationship, a better work-life balance, a better career. Whatever that thing is that you're chasing in your mind, you've got to accept that to get there, you're going to have to go through some struggle. This year ain't going to be a walk in the park, so start preparing your mind now for the challenges that face you ahead. I stopped complaining and I started taking responsibility for my own actions. I stopped looking at everything bad that was happening around me and blaming someone else, and started asking what I had done to cause it.
Now's the time to start fighting back.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Listen, if you want more motivational fire coming to you every single week, then subscribe to my channel right here. If you don't know why you should subscribe yet and you need a little bit more convincing, watch my next video right here. Thanks for watching.